website like Tokopedia as a software, but it's a web-based, and you know exactly all the databases are running in cloud.
And I've been really interested in the things they've taught me till now, and I'm currently working on one of their tasks they have given me, and I think it's very educational.
Kesan saya terhadap workshop ini adalah sangat menarik, fun, dan juga sangat informatif.
Terima kasih kepada Koding Next dan juga Sekolah Bogor Raya atas workshop hari ini. Saya lihat anak-anak cukup antusias ya beberapa ya dalam membuat workshop dan aplikasi mobile di hari ini, dan saya rasa workshopnya bagus sekali, pakai ini juga bagus sekali membawakannya. Terima kasih, semoga ke depan bisa mengadakan workshop di sekolah lainnya.
Most of them are having a very good sense of design and then enthusiastic. Hope they're going to be a kind of UI UX designer or an app developer in the future, or maybe another next Mark Zuckerberg. Very happy to teach them.